I trust you're all as excited about attending the NGH convention in August this year as I am. And I wanted to share with you about a 2-hour workshop that I'll be doing on Friday from 2 to 4. And I can't wait to see you there. What's going to happen is I'm sharing with you a really powerful lesson that I've created over the years about making major transformational shift that's long lasting. And it revolves around the power of the present. So many of us up until now have found ourselves locked into old patterns, old ideas, old beliefs. And although as hypnotists, we've been helping people with this for a long time, right? Creating new opportunities to rewrite subconscious programs and bring them fully present so that they may come up with some really amazing goals and move forward. It's an opportunity for you to really come present with yourself, to take a look at your life, to take a look at your practice. And I've been using this with multimillionaires in my coaching for years, and I give it to you at the NGH convention for free for a 2-hour workshop on Friday. So I look forward to seeing you on Friday afternoon, where you get to come in and see what it looks like to change the physical structural going-ons of your life, your systems, your structures, your schedules, but also the mental emotional piece of thoughts that you may have been carrying up until now that seemed like very high frequency, but they were still in fact keeping you stuck. You get to do some partnering with colleagues, you get to do some sharing with colleagues and workshopping it. And then we have some beautiful, of course, hypnosis experiences that we'll share together. And you're going to leave there so excited for the rest of the conference and really ready to make some transformation with your time remaining. So I look forward to seeing you on Friday of convention from 2 to 4 for the 2-hour Up Until Now workshop.